auto expert, this doesn't leave this room. The 2026 Toyota Hilux isn't just a truck anymore. It's a statement. A declaration. A weapon of resilience, wrapped in steel and silence. No spotlight. No noise. Just a cold, calculated evolution. The kind that doesn't ask for attention, but commands it the moment it moves. Look closer, and you'll feel it. The grille now carries weight, bold, squared, unapologetic. Matrix LED lights cut through darkness like they were born in it. Body lines, carved like blades, sweep back with a purpose that doesn't need explaining. This isn't redesign. It's redefinition. Underneath? The heartbeat has changed. A reworked 2.8L turbo diesel engine that doesn't growl, it strikes. Torque hits earlier. Power delivers smoother. And somewhere deep inside, there's a whisper of hybrid technology. Subtle. Strategic. Efficiency meets force, in a balance only Hilux could perfect. Step inside, and you'll stop calling it a pickup. This is a cockpit. A command center. A floating touchscreen, wide and sharp. A digital cluster that watches the road as much as you do. Soft ambient lighting wraps around the cabin, while road noise vanishes into engineered silence. It doesn't feel like a drive. It feels like control. And yet, the Hilux is still wild at heart. Off-road is where it speaks its native language. A new suspension setup. Intelligent terrain systems. Crawl modes. Locking diffs. It doesn't care about paths. It makes its own. Rock, sand, snow, mud, it's fluent in all of them. Wherever you stand, it will take you further. But here's the part they won't print in brochures. The legacy. This isn't a trend-chasing toy. It's a name that survived war zones, natural disasters, and the raw chaos of the planet. The 2026 Hilux doesn't scream strength, it proves it. From the deserts of Namibia to the peaks of Patagonia, this machine has outlasted storms and stories alike. You don't need a badge to trust it. You just need to know where it's been. There's new tech, sure. A 360-degree terrain view camera. Wireless charging. Over-the-air updates. But it doesn't rely on gimmicks. The strength is in its bones. In its history. In the quiet confidence of a machine built not for the showroom, but for the unknown. So no, you didn't hear this from me. But if you're looking for the truck that never left the fight, it's back. Smarter. Stronger. And quieter than ever. To Auto Expert, keep this between us.